In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a meal planner in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, flexible setup that keeps meals organized, reduces weekday stress, and makes grocery runs more efficient. Start by creating a new page in your Notion workspace dedicated to meal planning. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. You can add an icon or cover to make it visually distinct, but the main goal here is a clean space where everything related to meals lives in one place. On this page, add clear sections for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and your grocery list. Headings work great for this. Keeping these sections separate helps you scan your week at a glance and quickly fill in ideas without bouncing around. Next, create a database for your recipes. This is the heart of your planner. Add a title for the recipe name, a text field for ingredients, and a notes area for preparation steps or tips. You can include optional properties like prep time and servings, if that helps you estimate effort and leftovers. As you add recipes, keep ingredient lists practical and copy-paste friendly so you can build grocery lists faster. Now set up your scheduling. Add a calendar view of your recipe database if you like mapping meals to specific dates. You can drag a recipe to a day and type breakfast, lunch, or dinner in a notes field for clarity. If you prefer a snapshot of the week, use a simple weekly table layout on the page with columns for days and rows for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Either approach works. Choose the one you'll actually maintain. To make filtering easy, add tags to your recipes. Create a multi-select property with options like healthy, quick meals, vegetarian, and budget-friendly. Later, you can filter your calendar or table to show only quick meals on busy weeks or vegetarian options when you're planning a specific menu. Build your grocery checklist based on the meals you've scheduled. Under the grocery section, add a checkbox list and scan the ingredients from your planned recipes, grouping similar items together so shopping is faster. Keep pantry staples separate so you only check them off when you truly need a refill. Finally, update your planner regularly. Set aside a few minutes each week to add new recipes, schedule your meals, and refresh the grocery list. Over time, your database will become a reliable library, making meal prep smoother and saving you time and money. Stick with it, and you'll find planning becomes second nature.